finally have got our court closure. Let the healing begin is what we are now focused on. It's life plus 15, and it's been a long day. It's almost 2.5 years that we've been coming obediently to court and just trying to do the right thing by looking after the end of Zada's life.
So the end, tell me, as a family, how do you guys feel with the sentencing that was handed down today?
Look, the thing is, they got the maximum anyway, so I mean...
Still doesn't change anything. Doesn't bring it back. We still find ourselves where we started. But I suppose...
With a little more reassurance that justice has been served in a way.
And now the court days are done, so I guess time for you. Yeah. It just opens up that platform.
Okay.